How to open disk links on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple and effective way to open disk links on Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a media player. To open disk links, you'll need a media player on your phone. Here's how. 1. Open your App Store or Play Store. Go to the search icon and tap it. 2. Search for a media player. Type MX Player in the search bar and press Enter. Download and install MX Player. If you prefer a different option, search for VLC Media Player and install it instead. 3. Alternative app. You can also search for the Disk Player app itself and download it directly to play videos from Telegram links. Step 2. Open the disk link on Telegram. Once the player is installed, go back to Telegram. Tap the disk link you want to open. Select the installed media player, MX Player, VLC, or disk player, to stream your video seamlessly. Enjoy your movie or video. That's it. You can now watch movies or videos from disk links directly on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials. Happy streaming!